Good evening, everybody. Welcome to OpenBOM for KiCAD EDA, Schematic Capture, and PCB Design. My name is Steve Hess, VP of Product at OpenBOM. Let me take you on a tour of this pre-release of OpenBOM for KiCAD. I've got KiCAD installed on my computer, and I have loaded some KiCAD board design information into OpenBOM Design. This is a cloud-based storage that manages file versions, locking and unlocking, and manages sharing with my colleagues. I'm using OpenBOM's Workspace Manager to synchronize data from my local machine up to the cloud, manages all the versioning and updates automatically there. I have KiCAD's PCB design installed so I can work on my board level work, and I also have KiCAD schematic capture installed. I'm going to take a little bit deeper dive into the schematic capture area. This is where the OpenBOM add-in is accessed from. So let me go ahead and fire that up, and let me expose a little bit more information about the settings here. OpenBOM supports all the KiCAD settings for libraries, schematic libraries, different symbol libraries. All the file locations are all supported here, as well as OpenBOM bill of material templates. So I'm going to go ahead and create a bill of materials straight out of the KiCAD schematic, and you'll see that in just a moment we bring part numbers, all the information that you would expect about the schematic and library components that are on this board, and we bring it to you in a modern bill of materials. So let's take a look at what that looks like. Here we go. It ran just that fast. That was real time. So we've got part numbers, quantities, information about the component, library references, reference designators, of course, very important, footprints, and a lot of other information about each of the components on this bill of material. You can see it's broken down into reference designators and by the other information that comes from KiCAD. So that is scheduled for release very shortly, June 2025, probably in the next few days. That is OpenBOM for KiCAD. I'd love to hear from you at support@openbom.com. Thanks.